Hey lovelies, today I'm teaming up with Hi Smile to share my results using their brand new teeth whitening gel formulation. So I've actually been using their teeth whitening kits for all of 2019 and I've used their previous formulation which I absolutely loved. And I typically whiten my teeth with these kits every 3 to 6 months because I'm a big coffee drinker and I love fruit smoothies and lots of other foods that are known for staining your teeth. So it's unfortunate. The only way you can avoid that is obviously by not eating them, but even then it is natural for our teeth to discolor over time. So I like to use these sets for the pure fact that they actually work, and the convenience of just doing them at home at night before I go to bed is just so amazing. So I definitely always keep one of these in my cupboard so I can just touch up when I feel like my teeth are getting a little bit too yellow. So I have been trying out their new formulation between I just got married, so I was using it before I got married, then I went on my honeymoon and I've used it a few more times since I got back, and I'm very impressed with the results. And what I love about this new formulation is it has a new active ingredient that's an active teeth whitening ingredient, but it's also their most sensitive formula to date, and I have to 110% agree with that. It has not caused my teeth any sensitivity whatsoever. It hasn't even sensitized my gums. A lot of other brands that I've used in the past, I especially get gum irritation, which is very uncomfortable if you guys have experienced it, but I don't get that with this particular formulation, which is so amazing. So you can tell by the color of the actual gel that it's definitely a different formula. It's like noticeably whiter, and I feel like it has less of a taste, so it's very pleasant in your mouth. And they've even updated their trays that you actually put the teeth whitening ingredient in. So the old trays, this is an old tray here, it used to have holes in the actual tray. The new trays don't have those holes in them, which I much prefer because it means that your saliva doesn't actually leak into the tray, which means the teeth whitening gel is going to stay on your teeth instead of sort of like dissolving with the saliva throughout your mouth. So that's amazing. And now with these actual trays, you don't have to mold them either. They just attach directly to the little teeth whitening light, which I might as well just quickly jump into the actual demo of showing you how this works and how simple it is. It is the same quick 10-minute process as their previous formulation, and the actual way that the guard attaches to the device is the same, and it's the same sort of syringe dispenser. It's just a new amazing active ingredient in those teeth whitening gels, and then also the mouth guard has been slightly updated. So I'll quickly jump into showing you how I actually use the kit and how simple it is. So I went roughly from like a 5-4 in discoloration on my teeth. My eye teeth are definitely the most discolored. They were definitely a 5. My front teeth were probably only a 4, and I've definitely gone down to like a 3 or 2 on the teeth whitening scale, which is so exciting. Oh, I'm so happy. So in a nutshell, depending on how badly stained your teeth already are and what sort of foods you eliminate while you're doing the teeth whitening process will determine on how white your teeth get and how quickly. So obviously the more stained your teeth are and the more foods you consume that stain your teeth, the longer it's going to take to see results, but you will see results. You just have to continually use it over a longer period of time. If you cut out those bad foods and drinks that stain your teeth whilst doing it, you'll notice like amazing results in as little as 6 uses. But I'm not going to lie, I'm a bit of a hypocrite. Although I'm preaching that I still drink coffee every day, even while I'm doing my teeth whitening process, I try to eliminate other foods like super tomatoey, like spaghetti bologneses and like berry-based smoothies and things like that, because they will actually stain your teeth as well. And when you're actively using a teeth whitening ingredient, it can kind of make it counterproductive. In saying that, even though I've still been drinking my coffee every day, I have noticed that my teeth are definitely whiter. I really need me to do my best to try and kick like coffee for a week and do a whole week of teeth whitening and get like those maximized results. But even while I've been drinking coffee and not necessarily doing exactly what you're supposed to do, I have still seen results. So I also love the fact that Hi Smile has toothpaste as well. So you can pick up one of their toothpaste, so you just know that you can use it in conjunction with their teeth whitening gels without causing any added sensitivity or any problems. I get a little bit worried when like I mix other toothpaste brands with my teeth whitening kits that it might backfire and cause me some pain in my teeth. So I stick to using the Hi Smile toothpaste sets. I definitely love the day and night one the most. So the day one doesn't contain any fluoride or SNLs or anything like that. It's got aloe vera and 5 key minerals to just make sure it cleans your teeth and keeps them nice and healthy. Then you have the nighttime toothpaste, and this contains activated charcoal. So I use this usually when I'm not using the teeth whitening kit, and I just think they're a really nice duo and they leave my breath feeling nice and refreshed. I haven't had any complaints of bad breath since I've been using these, so that's amazing. And they've also got their really cute pink toothpaste as well, which is like super refreshing. It's very like minty. All of them are just super nice and minty. Even the teeth whitening kit has like a sort of minty, very subtle minty taste. It's nothing crazy, but it also makes you sort of feel like refreshed after you finish your teeth whitening process. So I really highly recommend these sets. I've had such awesome results and I really love the Hi Smile brand. So as I said earlier, it contains that new active whitening ingredient and also contains a new remineralizing, can't say that word, remineralizing ingredient. And we've also got the new mouth guard, which I think just overall, it just feels a lot better in my mouth and I feel like my saliva doesn't get into the tray. So if you guys are wanting to check out the new Hi Smile teeth whitening gels, I will have a link in the description box so you can actually shop this particular set. I'll also link all their toothpaste products and everything below, because like I said, they go hand in hand with the teeth whitening kits and you don't have to worry about any like adverse effects when you use their actual toothpaste range with their teeth whitening kit. So I hope you all found that video helpful. If you did, please do give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Hi Smile and what you think. If you want to try it, I'd be super curious to know your thoughts. And as always, thank you so much for those of you who have watched to the very end. I appreciate it, and I'll be chatting to you guys in the comments section and in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.